Christina.
What?
Who you sleeping with?
I don't know.
Who you want to sleep with? Who?
Carmen.
You can't sleep with me. Aisha sleep with me. So who you gonna sleep with? With Cookie? Huh? Christina, I'm talking to you. Who you sleeping with?
Cookie.
She sleeping with you? No, I want to sleep with her. She want to sleep with Aisha.
No, she's on.
So I'm sleeping with Destiny.
Destiny sleeping with Cookie. What's the matter?
I want to sleep with somebody.
Who you want to sleep with?
I don't know.
You want to sleep under the tree?
Why? You want to sleep under the Christmas tree?
Be a present, a surprise.
Look at the Christmas tree. It's beautiful, right?
For Grandma.
Hey! Well, hey, come here. Come here.
A surprise for
You can.
Grandma.
Oh no, you can sleep with Precious. Look, she's waiting for you. See, she wants to sleep with you.
No, Precious, I'm not sleeping with you.
Say that again.
I'm not sleeping with you.
Why not? Shut up.
Because that dog is going to
Keep me alive.
Shut up. Why you not sleeping with Precious?
Tell Precious.
She only hurt my ear.
So you can sleep in the tub.
No.
Why not? I could give you a blanket. You can sleep in the tub.
No.
Why not?
I don't like tubs. I don't want to take a tub.
You don't like to take a bath?
Yes, but I don't want to go in the tub.
Okay, so you could sleep in the hallway.
No.
So where you sleeping at? Because you can't sleep with men. You can't
You
sleep
can
with
sleep in
Cookie.
the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator, yeah.
It got a lot of food.
Yep.
Cabinet.
No.
So where you going to sleep?
With Cookie.
Not me. Where you gonna sleep?
Because you ain't sleeping with me.
Because I want to sleep with Cookie.
But I want to sleep with her.
She wants to sleep with Aisha.
Where you gonna sleep? Want to sleep outside?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like going outside.
So how you gonna go home if you have to go outside to go home?
I don't like walking by myself. Stop laughing at me, Destiny. If I laugh at you.
You gonna sleep outside in the car?
How about with Grandma?
I want to sleep with Grandma.
No, I forgot. Lorana got to sleep with Grandma.
Yeah, I forgot.
And Precious got to sleep with Grandma too.
So where you gonna sleep?
I want to sleep with you.
You can't.
If you want to sleep with her, then I'm sleeping with her too.
You can't. I already got 3 people on the bed.
Tell the camera who you want to sleep with. Tell the camera.
No, I'm not telling no camera. Camera can talk. How camera can talk? No.
Alright, so try it. Talk to the camera. And then watch it talk to you back. Talk to the camera. No, do it.
No.
Tell the camera who you want to sleep with.
If you don't tell him, you can't sleep with nobody.
And if you want to sleep with Cookie, you better run to her bed now.
I'm not going on her bed by myself.
You scared of the dark?
Yeah, I want somebody to sleep with me.
No, you're gonna sleep by yourself.
Okay, look. This is how we're going to do it. You're going to sleep with Cookie under her bed.
No.
Yeah.